Hey guys, today we will be unboxing the Shining Fates Elite Trainer box. Um, so I opened, this is my second box that I'll be opening from the Shining Fates, so let's see what we'll get. I didn't get anything good from the first box. Hopefully we'll do better this time. User manual, some dices. ETB VMAX. So it comes with 10 packs. Let's see what we get. First pack. Psychic Energy, Rusted Sword, Gym Trainer, Wacky, Chuto, Morpeko, Cacnea, Horsey, Kufant, Galarian Farfetch, ooh, and Professor Research. Ew. Keep these cards here. Energy, another Rusted Sword, another Dwacky, Ball Guy, Sphinx, Horsey, Yanma, another Morpeko, Coughing, and a Buzo, ooh, and a Celebi. It's like my third Celebi. Water Energy, Ball Guy, Tropius, Cramorant, Rowlet, Nickit, Morpeko, another one, Eevee, Gossfiller, and ooh, crap! A Charizard! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Can't believe it! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! I can't believe it! It's a Charizard. Oh man, I was looking for this card. Oh man. And a Manaphy. Oh man, I gotta sleeve that quick. Damn. Damn. I was not expecting that, but that was what I was looking for. Oh man, holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, guys. I'm really happy that I got this. Holy crap. On to the next one. Holy crap. Oh man. Wondering what else. Let's see what else we get. That was one of my favorite Pokemons back in the old days when I was playing Pokemon Red and Blue. Holy crap. Got an energy. Thwacky. Another Thwacky, wow. Gym Trainer. Floatzo. Rowlet. Trapinch. Snom. Grookey. Spinarak. And a Sphinx. A shiny Sphinx. And a Brillaboom. Ooh, not bad. Not bad. See what else we get. Leaf Energy, another ball guy, Eldegoss, Luxio, Yanma, Coughing, Morpeko, Horsey, it's another Spinarak, and NDD, shiny Dreadnought. Looks like we're up to the, how many packs? 6 pack. See what we get here. Lightning Energy, Dartrix, Luxio, Team Yell Towel, Horsey, Grocky, Morpeko, Spinarak, a Buzo that's not holographic, and a Tropius that's holographic. And what we got here? What we got here? Oh, another Manaphy. Seventh pack, we're almost done already. Fighter Energy, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, another Cramorant, another Buzo, Coughing again, Sphinx. Another Groki. Trapping. And a Nickit. Hollow Nickit. Hollow Nickit. And what we got here? What we got here? Ooh, a Charizard VMAX. Ooh, this one is shiny. For max jet ability. Let me leave that one there. And on to the next. Only 2 packs remaining. 2 packs remaining after this. Fire Energy, Cramorant, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Cuffant, Buzo, Spinarak, Sphinx, Coughing, Frostmoth, and what we got here? What we got here? Oh, it's a NDD. Ooh, Watch Over ability. Ooh, this is shiny as well. Ooh, this looks fancy. Ninth pack. See what we got here, boys. Pretty good pose this pack. Pretty good pose this whole ETB. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Gym Trainer. Floatzo. Team Yell Towel. Quint. Eevee. Buzo. Yanma. Trapping. Ooh, it's a Rillaboom. Damn, I'm getting really good shiny ones. Really nice shiny ones. Holographic ones. Ooh. And Yanmega. Last pack of this ETB. Hopefully we get some more good pulls. Yeah, I'm having some trouble opening this one. Here we go, boys. Last one. Leaf Energy. Tropius. Ball Guy. Rusted Sword. Shuto, Nickit, Grookey, Yanma, Morpeko, shiny Morpeko. Ooh, wow, those are right next to each other. One shiny and one not shiny Morpeko. And the last card. What do we got here, boys? And an NDD. Another one that I have. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good pose, this one. Especially the Charizard. Oh man, that's the card I was looking for. Oh man. Ooh. Not bad, and I got a Charizard VMAX. Ooh. This one is nice too. And NDD. Ooh. Last one is a Rillaboom that looks really nice. Well, thank you guys all for joining me for this ETB box. Thank you so much. See you guys next time. Have a good one.